Students, today we will do the practice worksheet for this chapter, My Silly Sister. In this exercise, firstly we will see what are synonyms. Synonyms are the words that means the same or nearly the same as the another word. So when two words have very similar meaning, we say they are synonyms of each other. So now we have this word enthusiasm, and you have to find a synonym from the story. That is, My Silly Sister. You have to find a word which is very similar in meaning to this word enthusiasm. So we can say it will be excitement. Next, the picture shows that mother is criticizing the boy for something wrong, and she is criticizing the boy. So what can the word come from the story? It will be scold. So mother is scolding the child. Next picture we see the children are having a lot of fun. They are enjoying. So they are fun loving kids. So what can be the other word for this? The children are playful. Next word is humorous, and the picture shows that the smiley is laughing at something. So something is very humorous. So what can be the other word for humorous? It is funny. So we have found the synonyms for these words. Now we will see what are suffixes. So we have done exercises in the book on suffixes, where we have seen three suffixes: ful, full, ly, lie, and the last was ish, ish. So what are suffixes? Suffixes is a group of letters which we add to the end of a word, and by adding that we change the meaning of that word. So we can see here kind plus ness is kindness. So kindness is a name of equality, while kind is an adjective. So while kindness is a noun. So likewise we see the how the meaning changes. So happy, somebody is happy, and happiness is what? Is a state, is the name of that happiness state. Next is danger, and we add ous and we get dangerous. Reason plus able, reasonable. Hope plus less, hopeless. Care plus full, careful. Just plus ify, justify. So next we will do some matching with these suffixes. We see that there is fearful, fearful, full of fear. So now full is added to fear, so we see it is fearful. So likewise harmful, that means full of harm. So ful is adding what? That means something is full of something. So truthful, that means full of truth. Playful, full of play. Cheerful, full of cheer. Forgetful, full of forget. Thoughtful, full of thought. Regretful, full of regret. Flavorful, full of flavor. Doubtful, full of doubt. Okay. Next slide we will do this worksheet on suffix ful, where we will see how by adding the ful suffix to the word given in the bracket will change its meaning and make it more meaningful in the given sentence. So the first sentence is, my sister brought an armful of dolls into her room. That means her arms were full of dolls. So many dolls were there. Nana seemed very cheerful with her family around. Our new puppy Max is very playful. Dad allowed me to take one big scoopful of ice cream. Mom and Dad taught us that it is important to be truthful. So that's how we have used the words with ful suffix. Next we will see how ly changes the meaning of the word. Here we see costly. So ly is added to word cost. So what is happening here? Cost means is the cost of anything, and costly is a quality. So it's a name of a quality, that it is something is very costly. So it is an adjective. So likewise we'll see how ly can change the meaning. So a person is napping quietly. So how he is napping? He is napping quietly. So ly also tells us how the something is being done. So slow walk, walking slowly. So how they are walking? They are walking slowly. Glad look, looking gladly. So how is the look? It's gladly. So likewise, next we will do this worksheet on ly words, and you will understand how ly words meaning the change the meaning of a given word. So Davis is careful, he flies carefully. So carefully means that it is telling how the flying is being done. The sun is bright, it is shining brightly. So how it is shining? It is shining brightly. The students are noisy, they behave noisily. It is easy to climb the wall, they climb it easily. The children are happy, they live happily. The babies are quiet, they are playing quietly. Paul is a slow walker, he walks slowly. They are talking in a loud voice, they are talking loudly. Next, we will see how ish suffix changes the meaning. So, if we add ish to a word, it means that it is like something or it has a quality of something. So, like foolish, so that means like a fool. Stylish mean having a good style, has a good style. Childish is like a child. Now, I've given more examples of this. Six-ish means around six in clock. Greenish blue, so blue which is closer to green, so greenish blue. Ticklish, which is like tickling. Boyish, like a boy. Foolish, like a fool. British, like a Britain person. 20ish, around 20. Brownish, close to brown color. Here I have given even more suffixes and how it is being added to different words. So try and find how the meaning has changed after adding these suffixes. These singulars and plurals. So in the picture, you can take the print of these pictures and complete this work if it is possible for you to take out the printout. Otherwise, you can simply observe. I am discussing it how you can write it out. So first is child, and there are many children. One man and many men. One cherry and many cherries. One leaf and many leaves. One foot and many feet. One pencil, many pencils. One box, many boxes. One key, many keys. One mouse, many mice. One tomato, many tomatoes. Likewise, the word are given in the next worksheet also. You have to convert it to plural. So there are 2 buses. Lots of matchsticks. 3 watches. 2 babies. 2 burgers. 5 boxes. 3 knives. 3 monkeys. 2 potatoes. 2 plates. 2 loaves of bread. Leaves. Lots of tomatoes. 3 glasses and 3 trees. So if possible, you can take print out and complete it. Okay students, thank you.